Hello everyone, welcome back to another adventure. We made it up and now I can see sunshine. It would take some serious water to move those. So today we're here at Pure Forest Reserve. It's an absolutely beautiful day, no clouds in the sky. Always seem to get lucky like that. Alright, hit the track and check it out. It's quite a beautiful area. A lot of houses up for sale, I think because there's signs literally everywhere saying warning flash floods. Beautiful bird sounds. Okay, so, oh yeah, here we go. Track splits off. It actually looks like there was a sign here, but for some reason it's been removed just before the track closed. Wonder why it's closed. It's probably a slip or something, but enter at your own risk, I guess. It's just such a cool area. Look at the like moss hanging off the trees. It's quite cool. Okay, so I've got to try and navigate this. I don't even know if what I'm standing on is stable. Gotta be very careful. Ooh. Oh, I just gave way. Ooh. Okay, that's a big stone, so I'm good on there. Ah, alright, we made it across. Some stairs. I don't know if I trust them. This is probably when you should put the camera down, but if you didn't film it, it didn't happen. Oh, this is slippery. Alright, I'm gonna chuck this. Alright, we made it. Oh yeah, look at that. So we just follow that up till we see the waterfall. I mean, look at how very dicey. Alright, so there is just so many trees and things covering the path. It's getting really difficult to get past them with this pack on, so I might chuck the pack here. I doubt anyone else is going to be on this trail right now, so it's going to be a lot easier for me to navigate through that stuff without a pack. I just keep getting caught. Just going to leave it out in the open so I can see it. Looks like possibly you can come up here. Oh wow, I didn't realize. It's like a whole massive tree that's come down. Alright, how am I going to do this? Yeah, I'm pretty much going to have to crawl. go. Alright, looks like we made it. Beautiful. What a beautiful place. Well, I think I'm going to chill here for a little bit, soak in the environment, and then head on back, and we'll get towards Emily Falls next. I look forward to that. What an absolute mission. Oh. Almost back at the pack. Should be here somewhere. Hey, here it is. Alright, let's chuck this back on and get back to the track. Let's throw this up. Okay. It's so slippery. You can't just like freely put your weight down. You've got to be so prepared for when your feet just disappear from underneath you. Not to mention, it's literally balancing on rocks underneath it. It's not even like secured in any way. You get too much movement, it'll just tip. Very excited to go and see this other waterfall and then head off track. It's always the best part. Ditch the track, follow the rivers, the streams. It's the beauty of water. You can always follow it. South Ridge route, which heads up to Little Mount Peel, and then Emily Falls, and also heading back towards the car park that way. So let's go check out the falls. Oh wow, this is cool. Alright. I think I'm going to find a good spot to sit down, have some lunch and enjoy the view. Alright, we had some lunch, chilled out, enjoy the waterfall. Last little look. Now let's head off and follow up the track a bit, and then we should hit the stream, and then I just want to follow it up along until we find a level, open enough spot to have a wee camp out and cook up some nice dinner and enjoy it. let's get on the track. And we've hit the river. So this should be the top of the waterfall. Ah, yeah. Here we are. Boots already soaked, so I don't care about getting wet shoes. See what this will look like. Alright, so the adventure begins. I have no idea what I'm walking into. Just gonna follow the stream and enjoy myself. So I definitely want to find a spot kind of high ground compared to the river, because I've seen a lot of flash flood warnings here. It's probably not the greatest idea, but gotta live a little. Oh, it's gonna be rough pushing through this. Smash these out the way. Cut me a wee path. Wee Spartan kick to get through. Alright, first hurdle passed. Beautiful. You don't get this feeling and this experience following a track. A little bit of fear is kind of nice every now and then. For all I know, I might have to turn back and not camp out because there might not be a suitable safe option. But you know, that's all part of the fun. Because I've got to get high ground from this water. Especially it is, well, it actually just turned spring yesterday, but winter still lingers. You can definitely see it would take some serious water to move those. Kind of the further I go along, the more I'm like, maybe I should turn around. But it's a beautiful day. It's extremely sunny, so we should be good. It's very untouched. Beautiful. Gotta cling on. Alright, I think I'm going to put the camera away for a little bit it's just getting really dense and the water's quite deep in areas, so I'm gonna focus up, push ahead, see how far I can get. Whew. It's thinning out. Oh, it's deep. Oh, it's cold. Oh, I need to get out. Oh, it's freezing. Oh, my legs. I can't feel them. Okay. Maybe I can make myself a little bridge of some sort. Well, it didn't work exactly as planned, but it means I don't have to get wet up to my waist, which is good. I can kind of shimmy up it, it's lodged in place quite well. So I'll try and get my pack up there and go from there. Alright, we made it up. I couldn't record while I was doing it, it's too dangerous. We are in the middle of a massive landslide. It's probably why it's thinned out so much here. Oh, now I'm freaking out because I can feel really big, thick spider webs all over me. The next dilemma. We did it. I am happy to see the sunshine. I feel a little bit more comfortable now that the water level seems to be a bit lower. Oh, I see some footprints, maybe a deer, I think. Oh, we're gonna get wet. Don't really see another option. Oh, this might be it, I think. Alright, I'm going to try and do some rock climbing. If I'm unsuccessful, I'm going to have to turn around. This is way too deep and too hard. Alright, so I got up there without my pack. Now I've thrown my pack kind of up on the rock there, but as you get past it, it's even more dangerous, and if you slip, you're just gonna fall down into the rocks, and it's, yeah, I think it's a little bit too dangerous to continue, so I'm gonna head back. And I did see that one spot that looked like it had a raised flat area, so See how we feel when we get to that. I just come up off the river and man, there is so many tracks, like an insane amount of tracks, making me think it's maybe boars. It smells so. Oh yep, droppings. Okay, they look fresh. Alright, there's really no good options around here, but I think I might stick down to the river. Only, I know it's kind of dangerous, the chance of a flash flood. I mean, it's beautiful weather today. I think there was meant to be a slight bit of rain tomorrow, but I have an exit just up this side of the hill, and then I've already scouted out an exit there, so if I wake up and I'm hear a lot of water or water's already reached me, I've just got to scramble and escape to that high point there or up there, depending on the situation. So I'm literally just going to throw my tent down here. I've just kind of leveled it out with my foot, just scuffing stones. It's going to be a tight squeeze even for my small one-man tent, but we'll give it a go. We'll set it up and see if we can get some firewood, get a fire going, and have a cozy afternoon and night. All right, let's get to it. I really had to think with that one. So obviously I can't get the pegs in because it's so stony here at the river. So I fed the fly little elastic bands, fed the fly bands through the inner bands and then wrapped it around a rock, so each point is both the inner and the outer are being pulled and held by large enough stones that will hold its weight. So I mean, it's not the best. If it rains, it's probably not going to be very pretty, but it'll do. Just going to have to be vigilant, be careful. If we hear rushing water, run. And apart from that, I think we can chill out, maybe make a wee campfire and get ready for the night. So I'm gathering wood, and obviously I've got to climb up the mountain to get dry stuff, and as I'm kind of pulling it down, it all started sliding and one of them just smacked right into my eye. It was a big solid thick one. Good little knock. I can feel it swelling up. Alright, I need to get some more. Luckily there is a lot of kind of dead trees up here, so they're easy to grab. Oh, that looks good. Whoa! Oh, it's like I just fucking teleported down the hill. That works. Remain calm. It's very, very steep. Alright, I'm getting off this. Getting off this. I think I've used up all 9 lives now. Okay. Got a little bit of wood there and then a ton more wood over there. I might head up this side over here, see what I can find, but I'm gonna... Oh wow. Oh! Oh, that is fat. Whew. Did a good job. Yeah, anyway, I'll collect some more wood and eventually get the fire going, but I'm going to turn this off so I can have both hands so I don't slip again. Alright, time to get this fire going and get cooking. It's starting to get a bit later in the day, sun's disappearing, so I want to get all the food cooked and in my belly before it sets. And I'm starving after that. What a mission. I don't think I've ever slipped and fell so many times on one walk in my life. It's insane. I'm really looking forward to some food. Let's get to it. Yes. Oh, I'm so ready for this. So we got 2 eggs, some mayo, some butter, some oil for cooking, and then we got some chicken bacon, some baps. So we're gonna have bacon and egg sandwiches for dinner in the middle of nowhere. And this container thing is amazing. I must have fallen, I'm serious, a minimum of 20 times and my eggs are absolutely fine. It's really, really cool. Oil in. Alright. Bacon and egg bats. So good. Oh, that was absolutely delicious. I enjoyed that. It always tastes amazing when you're out here. Alright, I'm gonna kick back, focus on keeping this fire going and then enjoy myself. It's been a pretty cool day. Really enjoyed that. Sit here, enjoy my fire, keep warm, and probably have a really early night tonight. I'm tired. Honestly, I could probably sleep now. Just be ashamed to waste a good fire. It's been a good day, fun day, good adventure. I'm tired, and I'll see you guys in the morning. Oh, good morning. It's about 6:30 right now. Whew. Had a lot of sleep. I think I must have gone to sleep at about 8:30 last night. We woke up a lot, but had a lot of sleep. Slowly wake up, move around a bit, have breakfast, and then pack up and get on the move. See you then. Alright, we're all packed up, ready to go. Not a bad effort, got that done pretty quick. Here's our spot where we had the tent, the fire pit down here. It's quite a cool experience. It's amazing that we can just come out here and do this sort of thing and just this beautiful untouched nature. It's incredible. Alright, it's time to get back on the trail. Got my trusty stick. Let's get out of here. Make sure we're not leaving anything behind. Oh, it's cold. Oh, they went right up to my knees. Oh, at least we managed to avoid the deep part. Oh, it's cold. Fresh morning mountain water. That'll wake you up. Oh, that's one way to get down. Sometimes you just gotta learn to go with it. Oh shit, we made it. Nice. Did that quick. Have one last look at the waterfall. Alright. Back to the track and let's get out of here. Oh, it's going to be a breeze walking the track after that ordeal. Alright, I will see you probably back at the car park. We made it back to the seat. Oh, it's nice to sit down on an actual seat. Oh, every now and then I can see my eyebrow and my peripheral vision. It must be swollen. Oh my gosh, it's so cool. Those are cool noises. Hey buddy. So cool how it expands its chest and then perform that beautiful music. Alright, well, as always, thank you everyone for watching. I hope you enjoyed this adventure. I know I did. If you did enjoy this content, then feel free to like, subscribe, comment on the video, and I'll get back to you. And there'll be lots more to come in the future. See you guys next time.